Is your current TikTok shop courier giving you nightmares instead of delivering dreams? Let's fix that. First, open your TikTok app. Make sure you're logged into your seller account, not your personal one. Now, tap on Seller Center. If you don't see it on your profile, you might need to switch to your business account in Settings first. Look for the shipping option. It's usually under the Orders section, or somewhere similarly related to order fulfillment. Tap on it. You'll see a list of your current shipping settings and couriers. This is where you can make adjustments. Now, there might be a button that says Change Courier or Shipping Provider. Find it and tap it. It's sometimes hidden under Shipping Options. A list of available couriers in your region will pop up. TikTok Shop usually supports a few different options. Choose the courier you prefer from the list. Make sure to consider their rates, delivery speed, and coverage area. Then tap the button to confirm your chosen courier. You should see a confirmation message that the courier has been changed successfully. All future orders will now be processed through your new chosen courier. Done.